Welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered why humans and dolphins breathe so differently? Today, we dive deep into the fascinating world of respiratory systems to uncover why humans replace only 15% of the air in their lungs with each breath, while dolphins replace a whopping 90%. Stay tuned to learn more about these incredible adaptations that help dolphins thrive underwater and humans flourish on land. Let's get started. Ever wondered why humans and dolphins breathe so differently? Today, we dive deep into the fascinating world of respiratory systems to uncover why humans replace only 15% of the air in their lungs with each breath, while dolphins replace a whopping 90%. Stay tuned to learn more about these incredible adaptations that help dolphins thrive underwater and humans flourish on land. Humans, continuous breathing. Humans live on land and have a relatively constant access to air. Our breathing mechanism involves a tidal volume, where air enters and exits the lungs without completely emptying them. This allows for a gradual exchange of gases, but results in only about 15% of the air in the lungs being replaced with each breath. Efficiency. The partial replacement of air ensures a steady supply of oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide, which is sufficient for our metabolic needs in an oxygen-rich environment. Dolphins are marine mammals that spend significant time underwater and must hold their breath while diving. When they surface, they need to quickly and efficiently exchange gases. Dolphins have a blowhole on top of their heads, allowing them to take in a large volume of air rapidly. They can replace up to 90% of the air in their lungs with each breath, maximizing the oxygen they can take in during a short surface interval. This high exchange rate is crucial for supporting their oxygen needs during prolonged dives and ensuring they can quickly get rid of carbon dioxide and replenish oxygen when they surface. In summary, the difference in air replacement efficiency between humans and dolphins is an adaptation to their respective environments and lifestyles. Dolphins need to maximize their oxygen intake in a short period, while humans have a continuous and more moderate exchange of air. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing respiratory adaptations of dolphins and humans. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to 5 SciTech Daily for more fascinating science insights. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.